Hey everyone, I'm Brian with OBEDIA and pcaudiolabs, and I'm coming to you from my makeshift home studio, my bedroom studio that I am currently working from, because I, like many others, am staying home in the wake of the COVID-19 outbreak that has found its way around the entire world. I hope you are also staying home so that you can help to flatten the curve and help everyone out in the world to be safe and healthy. So this is one thing that we can all do, is stay home. And while we're staying home, of course, what can we do? Start to work on music, hopefully. Now, we here at OBEDIA have been speaking with a lot of folks who have been affected by the COVID-19 outbreak, including many musicians who have found themselves now in the position of needing to learn how to live stream themselves because they can't go out and gig live anymore. And so they're now streaming from their home studios and other locations in order to be able to hopefully continue to make their living as musicians. We're also talking to a lot of folks who are just now getting to start work on music because they've usually not been able to, and now they're staying home and so they can start working on music. And then we've talked to other folks who are getting to get back into production and start selling beats, mixing records for folks, or maybe just learning their pro audio hardware and software. So many folks working to make the best of this situation. And so we wanted to see how we could help creatives who have been affected in the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic. And so we've done a couple things. At OBEDIA and pcaudiolabs, first of all, we've authored a blog that you can check out that gives you a lot of ways that you can make music using some great free and trial tools that are available to you from awesome companies in the digital audio industry and in the audio industry, including our friends at Ableton, Presonus Reason Studios, Cuckoo's Reaper, and more. So a lot of really cool options. Check those out in our blog. There's a link in the description of this video. Second thing we're doing is we are offering a free trial of OBEDIA. 1 month free trial. This 1 month is going to give you, if you're a new OBEDIA customer, a full 1 month of OBEDIA for free. That's going to include 30 minutes of professional one-on-one digital audio training and tech support from a professional just like myself and our team here at OBEDIA and pcaudiolabs. You can work one-on-one with us. We'll help you to learn and get to know your pro audio hardware and software. And we're offering that free trial on our website. Again, link in the description of this video. All you're going to need to do is click on that link. You'll be asked to enter your email. You won't be joining a newsletter. This is just so you can get a promo code emailed to you. That promo code, when you get it, you can take that code, go back to obedia.com. If you haven't created an account on obedia.com, create that account, log into it, click on subscriptions, enter that promo code. You'll be asked to enter your credit card information, but you're not going to be charged anything because this is a free trial with 30 minutes of one-on-one training and tech support for digital audio hardware and software. It's also going to give you access to our member-exclusive training videos on obedia.com and applications such as Presonus Studio One and more. After that trial period, you're only going to pay $19.99 per month for your monthly OBEDIA subscription. Now, this is 40% off of our standard monthly subscription, which is usually $29.90. So you're getting a discount, and you can keep that discount for as long as you would like. So as long as you have that subscription, you're going to get it for $19.99, get that 40% discount. So that's a really cool option. You can also opt, of course, to step into one of our other subscription options like our 3, 6, or 12-month options, giving you great benefits of working with OBEDIA to learn your pro audio hardware and software. So again, that's a completely free trial, and you can check that out at the link in the description of this video. Now, if you are an existing OBEDIA customer, don't worry, we haven't forgotten you, because we're incredibly thankful for all of our customers, fans, and friends here at OBEDIA and pcaudiolabs. So we have not forgotten you. We're going to give you, as an existing OBEDIA customer, 15 bonus minutes on your OBEDIA account. All you need to do is give us a call and mention this video or that you've stopped by our website, and we'll give you 15 free bonus minutes onto your account. And we've also got some other great deals, so just give us a call. You find our phone number in the link in the description of this video, of course, on our website at obedia.com. Finally, if you are in the market for a new pro audio PC, of course, many of you know that we build awesome pro audio PCs, including desktops, rack mounts, laptops, and micro PCs at OBEDIA pcaudiolabs. We do have financing. If you're looking to finance your brand new Pro Audio PC, you can get 6 months same as cash through PayPal credit. That'll help you to spread out those payments over time. And if you join our newsletter, which again, link in the description of this video, you'll find that we are offering some other awesome discounts and cool special offers that you can get just by joining our newsletter. So make sure to check that out so that you can find out more about what it is that we are offering at OBEDIA and pcaudiolabs, and specifically there in pcaudiolabs. So there you have it, everyone. We thought, let's see what else we can do, hopefully to help out. Many companies in the industry are definitely stepping up and seeing what they can do. I think it's really important that we all help each other out right now as much as we possibly can. So we hope that this is something that does help you. And if you are looking to get to know your Pro Audio hardware and software, come and work with us at OBEDIA. Maybe get a Pro Audio PC from pcaudiolabs if that's something that you're interested in taking a look at. We've again got some really great options for you that you can check out at pcaudiolabs.com. And we will be updating our blog on all of the current offerings and how it is that you can make music at home while you're staying home. We'll be updating that blog with new things that we find as more and more companies in the industry do release some more cool ways to be able to help creatives during this outbreak. So let's all come together and hopefully help each other out. Remember, stay home. This is the best thing that we can do right now. Let's do our best to make the best of it. And if you are looking to get some help, that's why we're here at OBEDIA and pcaudiolabs. As always, everyone, I'm Brian with OBEDIA and pcaudiolabs. I hope you're staying safe and staying home, and we'll speak to you soon. Take care.
Today's Pro Audio hardware and software can give you excellent results if you know how to use it properly. OBEDIA can help you to get the most out of your Pro Audio hardware and software. Why spend your time scouring the internet for answers or digging through manuals? With one quick call to an OBEDIA technician, you'll be connected with someone who can give you the answers that you need in real time via phone and remote desktop. OBEDIA technicians are trained in all major digital audio applications on Mac, PC, iOS, and Android devices. OBEDIA member subscriptions are cost-effective, give you great member benefits, and OBEDIA is here 7 days a week to help you get the most out of your digital audio hardware and software. No matter what your level of expertise, OBEDIA can help you to stay focused and productive and get your music back on track. Start taming your technology today with OBEDIA.